Day 5. Empowerment and long-term control. Welcome to Day 5. Today, we will solidify everything we have learned and focus on long-term control and empowerment. You have come a long way, and you now have the tools to handle any situation with calm and confidence. Let's sit down and begin with Kapalbhati breathing. Take a deep breath in and then exhale rapidly and forcefully through your nose, drawing your belly inward with each exhale. This energizing breath clears your mind and prepares you for today's practice. Gently stop and slowly lay down and let your breathing calm down, as well as your mind and body. Now, bring your awareness to your entire body. Feel the integration of everything we have practiced. From deep relaxation to control over your physical responses. Allow yourself to sink deeply into this relaxed state. Now, I would like you to visualize a calm sea. You are the captain of a ship, and no matter how strong the winds or waves may become, you steer this ship with ease and confidence. You are in complete control, guiding your ship with skill and focus. You now have complete confidence in your ability to navigate these waters. No matter what arises, you steer your body and mind. Enjoy this state of yourself. Gently back to your body. Move your toes, fingers, and stretch yourself. Take your time. Whenever you are ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Our 5-day practice of premature ejaculation is completed.